This 2019 Holiday Rambler Navigator 38F is a Class A RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2019 Holiday Rambler Navigator 38F is built on a Freightliner XCM Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.